Okay, hello everyone. We're looking at what I think is a simple product rule for exponents question here, but I want to really make it clear how you can use this calculator as a strategy to get stuff like this right if for some reason you don't remember exactly how that product rule works. So I've got 2 to the negative 4, I've got 2 to the 6th power. Here I should know that I add the 6 and the negative 4 and get 2, so this would be 2 to the 2nd power. Does not match either of those. 8 plus negative 2 is 6, so it's 2 to the 6th. So I should get B and D. Okay? Pretty simple question if you're really strong on the product rule, but I want to show you how to use the calculator to do it. So on my paper, I'm going to write down A, B, C, and D, something like this. You can see that, okay. And then I'm just going to figure out what each one equals exactly. So 2, and to raise to a power, I use this X to the Y button. You gotta know that. So I'm going to raise that to the negative 4th power, and I get 0.0625. And I just quickly jot that down on my paper for A. And I'll do the same thing for 2 to the 6th power for choice B. 2 raised to the power of 6 equals 64. Obviously, I have not found the answer yet. The next one, I can type in everything if I'm careful to type it in exactly right. So 2 raised to the 6th power. I have to multiply that by 2 raised to the negative 4th power. And just hit my equal sign, I get 4. So now I still have not found the answer. I'm going to have to do choice D. I want my students to do that for all of them, regardless if they find the answer, just in case there was a silly mistake along the way. But okay, so I got 2 raised to the 8th power here, and I have to multiply that by 2 to the negative 2. 2 raised to the negative 2nd power, and I get 64. And I have very easily proven that choices B and D are correct. We can get a lot of stuff right if we're willing to do that. Thanks for your time.